It's ABC fun time! Today we're going on a counting adventure from 1 to 5 with Annie and Andy. Hi kids, I'm Annie the Alligator. And I'm Andy the Ant. It's time to have some fun. Let's sing, count and play. Come along kids, the number train is on the way.
Let's count the numbers, come along, join the fun and sing this song. Start with 1, then 2 and 3, 4 and 5, come count with me. Bounce and wiggle, jump up high, let's shout our numbers to the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Come on Andy. Let's count things that say the short A sound, like apple. Come along, kids. It's time to explore. Andy, what's that under the tree? It's red and shiny. It's an apple. Yay! 1 apple. Let's put it in the basket. Look, Annie. What's that crawling on the ground? It's ants. Let's count how many. 1, 2. 2 ants. Let's watch them crawl. I see a treasure chest. Wow! There are arrows inside. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 arrows. Let's keep them safe. Come on, Andy. Let's see what else we can find to count. You're splashing. What's that in the water? It's alligators. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 alligators are having fun. Wow! I see astronauts floating in space. Can you count them with me, Andy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's super cool. 5 astronauts are exploring. Hi kids, I'm Auntie Denny. You did an amazing job on your adventure. Now let's review all the things Annie and Andy found. Are you ready to count some more? Super! Come along! This is the numeral 1. Annie found 1 apple. Can you count it with me? 1 apple. Let's count again. 1 apple. Great job! This is the numeral 2. Can you say 2? Great! Annie spot 2 ants marching in a line. Let's count them together. 1, 2 ants. Well done! Here's the numeral 3. Andy discovered 3 arrows in a treasure chest. Let's count 3 arrows. 1, 2, 3. 3 arrows. Super! You are smart. This is the numeral 4. Annie found 4 alligators splashing in the water. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4 alligators. You're counting like a star. Here comes the numeral 5. Andy saw 5 astronauts floating in space. Wow, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 astronauts. Well done, friends. You did great. Stay tuned for Annie and Andy's Shape Adventure. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.